Okay, so I have no makeup on. My plan is to do a makeup test for Death from Sandman. My friend had this idea a long time ago that he wanted to photograph a friend and I doing this. So I thought it would be a pretty cool process to show you guys how I do this makeup. So don't be too horrified by my plain face. The only thing I have on right now is mascara because I wear that to work. But I currently have a moisten sponge and some Mehron liquid makeup that I'm going to use as the base for my death. With it. Okay. Pretty light. Okay. So eyebrows. I am not a professional makeup artist. I am lazy. I use cheap mascara. I feel like there should be a dun 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 moment now. Okay, so I'm going to now attempt to do this eyeliner. This is the part that I was most nervous about. I think I'm going to try to do powder and liquid mix. Okay, I'm going to use this eyeline brush. Grab your favorite black. Get that brush nice and saturated. Alright. I'm pretty okay with that look. I'm going to try to go in and do a better eyeliner here. I'm using cheap Eyes Lips Face brand. This stuff works pretty well. If you're just going to be in a costume for a few hours, it works well. Maybe.
Hi, people.
The challenging part, getting the logo thing, whatever, her little sign underneath her eye. I'm literally just going to draw on my face and hope for the best, guys. So far, looks okay. Could be worse. I'm going to try and get this exactly where I need it. Actually, I'm pretty happy with that. Looks pretty good. Alright, I need lips. And by that I mean I need, lipstick. So I'm going to put out the 13 Black Rainbows. I have to mention that because I love Typo Negative and they have a song called 12 Black Rainbows. And I'm sure that's where Notoriously Morbid came up with. I think I can fix that. I know I'm shaking this. It's not eyeliner. Well, this is a look, right? Kept the brush clean in case I needed it to fix that. So yeah, if you mess up on something like that, you can always put a little bit on a brush over your foundation, whatever you're using in. Yeah. Okay. And I was going to try to contour a little bit. I don't know how well this will work out. I've never done this before with this particular makeup. I have this gray color. I think the Kohl's bag behind me is a little bit scarier. Okay. You know what? I'm going to try to highlight while I'm at it too. Why the heck not? I got this stuff. Just because I look slightly dead doesn't mean I can't be pretty. Those things that are slightly dead looking are quite pretty, right? Wig time! Voila, and wig. To finish off the look, I was wanting to do a little bit more of a modern take on this, so black and curly Morticia style is kind of more my jam than 80s. Thanks for watching.